Meteorologist, Hermog City. It is Tuesday's Weather Madness in the afternoon time. Running late today. Had to do some work this morning. Had to do some other things. Anyway, I want to show you the NAO index first because there is some changes coming up. Notice since July, we really haven't had a blocking pattern. Look at that. Really nothing from June 19th through October, and now all of a sudden, look at this blocking coming in. So if that's right, okay, we should be seeing some stormy weather coming up toward the end of the month, and maybe a storm along the eastern seaboard. So, we want to see this all winter for snowstorms. Okay, yeah, the big daddies. Where's the big daddy hat? Give me the big daddy hat there. There you go. Look at the big daddy. Let's put the big daddy hat on. There we go. Put the big daddy hat on. All right, got it on because we got blocking coming. So that has some significance, and let's show you the map. Well, let's just jump to it now. There you go. So the GFS model has been kind of going all over the place. It's been struggling because there's like this tropical system here, and it kind of brought something out here, brings it up each run. So it's struggling with trying to figure things out. It does know that in the upper levels there's going to be this sort of big trough coming in, and but how we get to the storm and snow and all that kind of stuff remains to be seen. When you get these kind of blocking patterns coming in, and if you get a storm forming, you can get some pretty hefty snows inland through the higher elevations this time of year. So, it hasn't, I don't think the models have played itself out all that well yet, and I think it will over time. The European model as well, I think it's starting to show it too. So we got to watch it. It's something that's coming up. My guess is that there's probably going to be a trough that comes in, picks a storm up, and some storm's going to lock itself off someplace over the mid-Atlantic states. Then we're going to have heavy snow up in the mountains, and or some mountains, Appalachians up into the Adirondacks or something. Someone's going to get some heavy snow out of it. Is at least my first guess at this point. All right, back to the weather that's currently happening. Cold front has slipped on through. It kind of sits back like this now. Upper level lows back over Arizona this morning, and more rain's coming up, and it's chilly. Another shot of cold air is coming in through the northeast tonight, tomorrow. It's going to bring some lake effect snows coming in. The first lake effect snows, and even some water spouts up in the lakes too. And the radar shows a lot of rain down south through Texas into the lower Mississippi Valley this afternoon, just say. And even some thunderstorms there, but nothing severe. The severe threat's very low right now, so there's nothing really going on severe weather-wise. So we will jump to, this is the upper level pattern for tomorrow evening. You can see big trough here, trough out west. This is going to usher in a lot of lake effect snow, and I saw the Mount Washington boys are putting the glass on because the big winds are coming. Big 120 mile an hour winds are coming up to Mount Washington. That's pretty interesting. All right, let me see. What do I want to show here? There's the GFS model. This is for tomorrow. Lake effect snow is coming up, and there's gonna be rain showers, snow showers, maybe some water spouts. The kind of stuff you see in the wake of a pretty cold air mass coming in. Frost and freezes will follow up on Thursday and Friday mornings. And then that all goes away. Okay. More rain across Texas land. And then we get to Saturday. Another shot of cold air is coming down. All right. We still got all this rain across the south. All right. And then Sunday, more lake effect snows going on up here across the Great Lakes. Another shot of cold air comes down. Ugh. And all your rain kind of gets shoved down into the southwest and through southern Texas. Meanwhile, most of the nation is going to be relatively dry. Okay. This is the snowfall. Is this the right one? This is the right one. Yeah, this is the snowfall coming up here. A couple inches of snow up here through the Adirondacks, White Mountains, and into the high country of western Pennsylvania as the lake effect gets going. So there, winter's coming. Maybe the blocking will come in. It'll get really cool out there, and we'll get a big storm, big October snowstorm. Won't that be good? A Halloween snowstorm. Won't that be cool? I know, you're all cringing. All right, that's it for today. Meteorologist, Homework City.